Good morning, children. How do you do? I think you all are doing very well because in these days we have started the SST and we have almost covered the first chapter, changes in a family, and also we have done the exercise. I want to remind you, my students, yesterday I gave you one work and that is for you. And that was the activity number A and number B. If you see the book, page number 12, it is there, number A and number B. And it is your duty, please do this on your book. Okay. Now today, I will teach you the chapter 2, changes in neighborhood and school. Changes in neighborhood and school. And children, those have book, please open with me page number 13. Page number 13. Look at the first paragraph. I like to read and listen to me very carefully. Okay. Life of a person constantly changes with time. In India, development in science, technology, industrialization, and of course, the influence of the developed countries is the basic reason which has brought about changes in the lives of the people. We are moving toward globalization. First thing, the neighborhood, that means neighbor. Who is my neighbor? Children, you live in the family and you belong to the society. Okay. While you are living in the society, that means you may find there are many family who live nearby us. The person who lived by near our house is called our neighbor. Okay. A neighborhood, it refers to the lifestyle, food, work, clothes, houses, tradition of the people who lived nearby us. Okay. And here in the first paragraph you can see the globalization. What is globalization? And globalization refer the product of technology, science, job, and create the many of the works through the facilities of technology and science. In the first line you can see life of a person constantly changes with time. Yes, of course it is correct. The life of a person, that means our life, it is changed. If you go to higher classes, you will find out the life of the human being, how it started. In olden days, when the man was living, in that time it could take to 50 to 80 years to develop. Then after, when human being live in the society, then the civilization came through the life, then it took 30 to 25 years, that means 25 to 30 years. Then after some years, then it took 10 years. Now these days it reduced and it came to 3.5 years. Means in the olden times people have to walk and to cross the long distance. Then after we can see the horse cart, bullock cart. Then after that we can see cycle, then car, bus, then aeroplane. Okay, so in this type of way, the beginning life of human being, and now these days it is totally different and totally changed. Now these days we all people are busy. There is no time for us to sit together and talk. There is no pleasure time. No one. If you are living in the house, you can see father who busy with his office work, and mother who busy with her household work. Means there is no time for them, then they can sit with us and spend their whole time. Okay, so look at this first paragraph. There is no time, and the time has changed. Okay, and it could be possible. How? The development of the science, technology, industrialization, and the development of countries basic through the reason. Okay, then come to the second paragraph. Changes in neighborhood. The word neighborhood refers to the lifestyle, food, work, clothes, houses, tradition, etc. of the people living in our surrounding. Let us study the changes in neighborhood in detail. Now look at your third paragraph. Changes in the lifestyle of the people. The life of today's people, it is totally changed. They want more facilities, more luxurious life. In the olden days, there is nothing. They're supposed to remain with their old things. They're supposed to remain with their old facilities, means less facilities. But today we are getting much more facilities. We have mobiles, TV, computer, bike, scooter, healthy food, attractive clothes. These all things has brought a big change in human life. The men want spend more money and save less, because he want to spend the money to buy the luxurious things. He want to enjoy each of his life, each of his moment with his money. Then changes in the food habit of the people. The people, they have changed their taste. They like outside food, junk food, which you can cook easily and quickly. And they are not much concerned about balanced diet and essential nutrients. They enjoy going to a restaurant rather than eating homemade food. Most of the people, they are going to eat the food in the restaurant. They like restaurant food instead of homemade, because they have money, and money can buy everything. Okay. Now changes in the work pattern of the people. The work pattern also changed. Today you can see there are numbers of people who engage with their job, with their profession. There is fixed time for the worker. Some are working in the office, some are working in the school, some are working in railway station, bus stand, on the road, everywhere. There is each and every set of jobs are different, and their time and duration of time also different. Suppose the men start work by morning and it will be finished by evening. That means it would show the stress level has increased. The maximum people, they work more hour to earn more money. That means it increase the stress level. Okay. Then changes in the clothes of the people. Now the demand of cloth, it has changed. If you visit shopping mall or anywhere, you can see there are different type of clothes. You can see there are different type of cloth, fashionable cloth. And this cloth may be high rate and low budget. Okay, but people are so excited to have the cloth which they can brought from any brand. They go to the shopping mall and they will choose the new brand cloth, new pattern, whatever they like, which suit for their body and which looks very attractive. That kind of cloth now people are using. Then changes in the houses of the people. In the olden days, people lived on the tree, then developed into civilization. They live in the house, kacha house, then pakka house, then live in the permanent house. But today, the demand of the land, it has increased. Today, men like to live in society and asking for the more facilities. He want to bring luxurious life in his life. He live in the bungalow, he live in the flat, he live in the house where is more facilities. So the changes in the houses has made it more popular. Now the people are preferring the house which is more facilities, and it has happened so because the individual plot and bungalows have become very expensive and the urbanization has reduced land mass. People wants more plot to build their own house. Can use the land mass where they can build their house, garden, garage, and which is more suitable for the house. So this type of demand has increased, and the demand of plot also increased. Now these days you cannot touch any particular plot. Within few days or few years, the rate of the plot has increased. The next, changes in the tradition of the people. In the present day, people do not have enough time to spare in minute details associated with religion, religious and cultural activities. They only concentrate on the essential. Yes, there was a time when we live with our family, we celebrate the festival, we celebrate with our friends, with our relatives, whatever the things, the delicious food will be prepared by our mother or our auntie. But today's the time has changed. Today the man did not want to spend his time with the lots of money. He want to save his money, and which one is only essential, that one will be observed by the human being. For the example, instead of decorating their house with the earthen diyas in the festival of Diya, yes, the example is given here. In the Diwali, most of the people, they decorate their house, they put the color, they buy new clothes, delicious food we prepare in the house, and they will decorate their house with the earthen diya. But today the time has changed. Instead of earthen diya, they want to use electric bulb. They want to use electric bulb. Most of the times in the marriage ceremony, you can see the houses will be decorated by the electric bulb. So you can see the changes has been brought to our life throughout this way. Lifestyle of people, the food habit of the people, the work pattern of the people, the clothes of the people, the houses of the people, and the tradition of the people. Okay, so I think students, this much is enough for you. In next day we will continue this chapter. Okay, May God bless you. Thank you.